noorem tänavatantsukoondis on väga kokkuhoidev ja üksteist toetav grupp. Nad tahavad aina õppida ja ägedad olla. Neid võiks iseloomustada sõnaga victorious. Kuigi kõige rohkem meeldib neile tantsutunnis lobiseda, siis teavad nad ka väga hästi, et suuga suurt linna ei ehita. Nii et tantsimist harjutavad selle võrra hoolsamalt. Nüüd ongi teie ees noorema tänavatantsukoondise kava I Want to be a Millionaire. Kava autor Ingrid.
Broken promises, still you're watching, tell you what time it is. Take your J's and tell you to kick it where the falaka is. In the streets with a heater under my dungarees. Dreams of me getting shaded under a money truck. Everybody know respect the shooter, but the one in front of me lives for the ride. The one in front of me lives forever. And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just to say, money trees is the perfect place to shade it. That's just how I feel. I wanna be a billionaire, so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had.
Yeah, I would have a show like Oprah. I would be the host of Everyday Christmas. Get track of your wish list. I probably pull an Angelina and Brad Pitt and adopt a bunch of babies that ain't never had shit.